Director of Composite Regional Center CRC Manipur, Khoibi has highlighted the importance of identifying the talent and skills of differently abled persons and to give them a further push in life. Khoibi said this on the sideline of annual Sports Meet 2026 of CH Ibohol Institute for Special Children at Chongangai Uchekon Airport Road today. Speaking further, Khoibi informed about an upcoming sports center in Northeast for training of differently abled persons. He also urged the centers to avail benefits from government for differently abled persons.
Special differently able angang singse sigi damakta sports center India da mafam mari da sabagi plan leire north south east west sida center amamam thamnaba haina India gi plan ni special olympics target to bagi special olympics yam phajaba performance India na top lawnabagi 1 2 3 manung da channabagi damakta ni ada gwalior de function to kre Atal Bihari CDS aise Center for Disabilities Sports haina aduga hujik se kedoga ha matamda moina short term की ओइना 1 month की ओइरो 2 months की ओइरो अलमाइन तोरगा ट्रेनिंग मैम अमा कौरी मणिपुर दगिसु चटले अदुगा मोय अदुदा ट्रेनिंग से मोयना पीगनी लेफम चाफम दोइनमक मोयना पुथोकनी